popular demand from Sabha Naqvi, Mangal Prabhat Lodha, the contestant from Malabar Hill, joining this broadcast. Mangal Prabhat Lodha ji, aap Malabar Hill se you are contesting this elections. What is it looking like in Mumbai and overall in Maharashtra? Because Congress is keeping chartered planes and many senior leaders and ministers ready for takeoff. What are you looking at? Numbers will be close or it will be decisive?
No, there is a clean sweep for the Mahayuti. Peoples of Maharashtra have put a faith in the leadership and guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji. So it will be 160 plus. They can book the plane. Last time also they have prepared the suite, but our workers have used that suite. This time also they have facilitated all our things what will be required after victory.
गंदी आदत है उनकी जलेबियां भी ले लेते हो आप, उनके स्वीट्स भी ले लेते हो आप. थोड़ा मेहनत खुद से बुकिंग किया करिए ना.
हमारा बुकिंग का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. हमारी बुकिंग लोगों ने विधानसभा के अंदर कर दी है. लोगों को माननीय नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में डबल इंजन की सरकार चाहिए. उनको मालूम है देश को आगे कौन ले जाएगा, राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा कौन करेगा, विकास पे कौन ले जाएगा. विकास के भागीरथ आधुनिक महर्षि माननीय नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में पूरा महाराष्ट्र उठकर खड़ा हुआ है. न भूतो न भविष्य तो ऐसे रिजल्ट इस बार आएंगे.
तो लोकसभा चुनाव में क्या हो गया था और लोकसभा चुनाव 4 जून से लेकर आज तक क्या बदला है महाराष्ट्र में?
लोकसभा चुनाव के अंदर फेक नैरेटिव चला. लोकसभा चुनाव के अंदर वोट जिहाद चला. लोकसभा चुनाव के अंदर हमने चूंकि ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से नहीं दिया, इसलिए ये गड़बड़ हुई. इस बार महाराष्ट्र के लोगों ने, राष्ट्र भक्तों ने, जिनको महाराष्ट्र की अस्मिता से प्यार है, जिनको संस्कृति की रक्षा करनी है, वो सब आगे मैदान में आए थे. और माननीय नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी के नेतृत्व के अंदर, अमित भाई जी की संगठन शक्ति के अंदर, नड्डा जी के कुशल नेतृत्व में सारा महाराष्ट्र इकट्ठा होकर चुनाव लड़ा है.
Sanjay Jha, you want to respond to Mr. Lodha?
No, I can tell you one thing, that Mr. Lodha is entitled to his opinion. The people of Maharashtra, I think, have suffered under the Eknath Shinde government. Now, end of day, I'll be surprised. I think Tiwari ji is here. End of day for Uddhav Thakere's party, which was broken by the BJP, to now be rejected in favor of Eknath Shinde. That to me will be a huge surprise, because the Shiv Sena has been identified with the Thakere family. And if the BJP has succeeded in actually breaking the Shiv Sena and leaving the family in ostracized away from mainstream politics, that will be a development that will surprise me.
Isn't that a huge development in Indian politics, that a family is being...
I've been saying this for 10 days now. The big subplot in this story is, where has a family-run party been taken over by someone else and that person has prevailed? Can you imagine if some section walks away from, let's say in Chennai, and says, hello Stalin, we are leaving you and we are walking with our MLAs, or even in the Congress, or even with Akhilesh Yadav, or with the RJD, or with any family-run party? It does not happen, and it happens.
So right now, can you give me Shiv Sena numbers on both sides? Who is doing?
Just a minute. We'll give you the Election Commission update number. First, Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde is 34. Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray is 13.
So
now,
so Eknath Shinde becomes the legitimate...
नहीं, that also shows what Sabha just said, कि महाराष्ट्र के वोटर शायद बहुत ज्यादा समझदार हैं. उनको पता है किसको जिताना है, and they are not running behind a family. Secondly, why blame the BJP all the time for division of Shiv-Sena and NCP? Aren't those leaders sane enough? They have been in power for so long. They know what is good for them, what the voters want, and that is the reason the division took place. They need to accept that. The day they accept that, I think they will be able to win elections. अभी भी वो भूल भुलैया में जी रहे हैं.
We have a big update from Jharkhand. It is the India Alliance which is leading. India Alliance is leading with 24. And NDA is at 14. This is the official Election Commission website.
Can we get the breakup?
Okay, Navika, I'll tell you what the trends tell you. In the Lok Sabha, India alliance was ahead in Maharashtra and it's flipping towards the BJP. In Jharkhand, it was the NDA which was ahead, which is flipping to the India alliance. So that's the trend.
No.
The breakup is very interesting. It is about 59 versus about close to 190, and those numbers are climbing very fast as far as the Mahayuti is concerned. Take us through the breakup, Swati.
As far as the Shiv Sena factions are concerned, the Shinde Sena faction 53 and the Uddhav Sena faction 16. So this is what you were asking for, the party-wise breakup, and this
So
is
the
very clear.